Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss role of computer. This is the next topic from the previous lectures. So first see what sub what subtopic will be discussed in role of computer. In this is the 1.2 of role of computer. In this section discuss application of computer in education, application of computer in business, use of computer in defense, use of computer in media, use of computer in manufacturing. So these are few fields of the world which are being used computer, and they are taking huge benefit from the use of. Then the scope of career in IT. This, okay, move to next stop. Application of computer in education. We can use our computer for learning in two ways, like online using internet and offline using different software. So one of the biggest benefit of computer, you can learn various program and software to improve your productivity, and this facility is available online while using internet and offline, so you can use different software to perform our tasks. Different software can be used by student and teacher to perform their task, like word processor for making document and report. Electronic spreadsheet like MS Excel can be used for formula based work, and PowerPoint software can be used to make presentation. Student, these are some tasks which can be performed using different software. Hope normally it is done offline, but it can also be done online using internet. Use of computer technology has provided easiness in process of learning. So as you know, all of you, computer basically improve your productivity when you perform any task on computer. So it has provided easiness regarding the process of learning. So you can learn any topic, any skills using computer. Various programs are available to learn different subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and computer. So these subjects or other subjects can be learned easily using computer. Different programs are available, different software are available to help you to understand these subjects, and you can see different videos on these subjects. Moving to next slide. Application of computer in education. Further, student can use internet to learn different topics and subject of their interest, like they can watch different videos to learn their desired topic, can access online libraries and educational website or resources. So students, I hope you have experience of these activities. Whenever you need to learn any topic, you can search different videos on that topic, and you can go through or browse online libraries which give you a lot of resources on any topic or subjects, and there are many educational websites which teach you. So internet provide quick access to education. This is one of the biggest advantage of computer. Computer can be used to make desired document, whatever document you want to make, using word processor or Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation. So you can use computer for such purpose. Computer can also be used to take exam and assessment online. This is another advantage of computer. Moving to next slide. Application of computer in education. Multimedia mean combination of text, graphics, sound, and video, so it makes learning interesting. Use of multimedia projector in classroom has provided learning process, interactive, and easiness for student and teacher in improvement. So student, you must have seen when we use the multimedia projector, its screen is large, so everybody can see. For a teacher, it is very easy to teach any topic, and for student, it becomes easiness to understand any topic. So student can also easily understand the topic using multimedia projector. Especially interactive whiteboard, now called smart board, is providing many benefits like use of software, internet, and multimedia at the same time. Nowadays, the different organization and teacher using interactive whiteboard. Basically, interactive whiteboard has the touch screen options. So using different softwares, we can improve our lectures using this technology. Teachers can make presentation and can use this technology to present their lecture effectively. So this is giving a huge benefit to provide lectures on screen. This is the end of lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.